Gauteng Premier David Makhura is visiting 2 hospitals in the province, currently distributing COVID-19 vaccine doses as the rollout of vaccines around the country begins. Our reporter Malungelo Booi was with the Malungelo. Good afternoon to you. What's been happening there so far this afternoon?
That's right, Stephen. In fact, we've witnessed some of the healthcare workers here at Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital getting their jabs, Stephen, and actually people were very excited. So this is where I am actually. This is where everything will be taking place. We're not allowed inside now, Stephen, but earlier we were allowed, where we witnessed some of the healthcare workers here at the Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital getting that all important injection. So, Stephen, why Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital is so important? Well, let's put things into perspective then for you. Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital is the largest hospital in the African continent. It's the 3rd largest hospital in the world. It has a staff complement of over 7,000. And we know already, Stephen, that this hospital is also used as a referral hospital where lots of clinics and other hospitals that cannot do some of the special operations that are done here, would be brought here. So it is very, very important for this particular hospital to actually be one of those centers that would actually be used to inoculate healthcare workers. So authorities telling us then, Stephen, that today at least they will vaccinate, or they've vaccinated at least 40 healthcare workers. And from tomorrow onwards, then they're saying that they intend vaccinating about 600 healthcare workers. The Gauteng province, Stephen, authorities telling us that it has received over 16,000 Johnson & Johnson doses of that vaccine. And of course, half of those will go to a certain percentage, rather, of those will also go to the private sector. But we know the majority of those vaccines will go to those in the public sector. Stephen.
And what comments from the Premier himself, David Makhura? This is a big day for his province. Gauteng, like all the others, hit hard by COVID-19. He must be pretty pleased about this.
He is actually quite elated, Stephen, because you'd remember that in so many occasions, the Gauteng province has been a hotspot for the coronavirus. In fact, I remember at some point, each and every metropole in this particular province was regarded as COVID-19 hotspot. So David Makhura says this is a good day for the country, a good day for the people of Gauteng as the country continues to fight COVID-19, and of course saying that the plan for the province of Gauteng at least is to vaccinate about 10 million out of the 15.5 million population before, hopefully, by the end of the year. Stephen?
Malungelo, I mean, so many people are pinning their hopes on this. I imagine the Premier also encouraging people to get vaccinated.
That's right. In fact, that's why, Stephen, we saw the health MEC here in Gauteng actually being the first person to get vaccinated. She told me that this is also to encourage the people of Gauteng and also the healthcare workers that it is safe to take this vaccine, and that vaccines saves lives. And that's the message that we've been starting to hear coming out from the President, from the Health Minister, and from the premiers of various provinces, encouraging people to get vaccinated. And of course, one of the things, though, Stephen, that the Gauteng Premier spoke about was that, when we go to the 2nd and the 3rd phase of the vaccination program in this country and in this province, one of the things that they intend to do is to work with civil society organizations, including churches, to actually educate people about the importance of getting the vaccine.